How to use Kucoin future trading. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can use Kucoin future trading. Let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to kucoin.com and you will land on this website right here. Kucoin is an amazing crypto platform that allows you to get your own crypto wallet and has a different exchange and trading options for you. It is one of the very easy and famous platforms out there. On Kucoin, we have buy crypto option, we have markets, trades, derivatives, earn an NFT. Today, I will show you how to use Kucoin future trading and how to sign up for Kucoin. So once you are on the website, what you have to do is you will simply click on this option right here, which is sign up. If you have already signed up for Kucoin, then you can simply log in. The signing up process is really easy. You simply type in your email and then click on send code, an email verification code. You simply have to type in the code. After that, set login password. Referral code, this is completely optional. If you do not have any referral code, then you can just simply leave this option. I have read and agree to terms of use. Now, I will simply go ahead and type in my email address, verification code, set password, and then I will click on sign up. After the initial sign up, this is the dashboard that you get on Kucoin. You can see right here the signing up process was really easy. Now, this is the dashboard, and in here I have my asset overview. Then we have calculated by BTC, USDT, and KCS. We have our main account, trading account, and financial account right here. To deposit funds in the Kucoin, I will simply click on deposit. Simply click on this option which says buy crypto, and then we have withdraw option in here. After that, you will find the options of buy crypto, markets, trade, derivatives, earn an NFT right here. This is the notification. This is going to be our orders right here: spot orders, margin, futures, earn orders, buy crypto, spot trade history, future trade history. Then I have my account, and then we have our currency in here. This is where I will be able to switch between my dashboards. This is the overview. This is going to be the main. Then we have trading and futures. So this tutorial actually focuses on future trading. What you have to do is simply click on futures, and then we have to actually agree to terms and conditions of future trading. Simply click right here, I agree. And now you can see right here, this is our future trading dashboard that we get on Kucoin. Let me show you how to use future trading on Kucoin. So you can see right here, you simply select the contracts from here. Right now, I have selected BTC. I can switch between different coins from here. For example, Ethereum, if we go to coins, we have, Ethereum, we have XRP, Bitcoin, and others. Then we have metaverses available as well. This is actually going to be the future trading. So we have their perpetuals, such as SAND, ENG, then we have Alice, we have Mana, Gala, and AP. Then we have NFTs as well, where we can find different perpetuals for different NFTs. Then DeFi is available too. So this is the first thing that you select. One thing I would like to clarify is that this video is not a financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. So selecting any coin, trading, and getting into futures, it depends all on you. So make sure that you have all the information. I am just showing you how to use future trading on Kucoin. So that being said, let's go ahead and actually apply any of the different options that we have selected. Let's go with Ethereum. Now I have selected Ethereum right here. This is the live value for Ethereum, which is $3,014 right now at the time of making this video. And you can see right here, it is updating every setting. Then we have the live values of mark price, 24-hour turnover, open interest. We have a funding rate and funding settlements as well. This is the order book right here. And here I will be able to see all of my prices, amount, and total. Then we have this chart right here, which is the live chart of 1 hour. I can actually switch between the timeline. For example, 1 day, 8 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, and 1 minute as well. So this is the chart for 1 hour. And you can see right here, when I hover over any of the points, then I can actually go ahead and get its value right here. I can check out its market, price, volume, and Kucoin futures as well. Then we have all of these different options in here, such as cross, dot, arrow, and eraser. How to hover over this? Let's go ahead and go with arrow. So now you can see right here that I have arrow, but I would prefer a cross. Then we have this option right here, which is trend line, info line, angle, horizontal line, cross line, arrow, ray, and extended. When it comes to trading and when we are tracking a trade, then we want to add different angles and keep track of everything that is happening. We want to access all of the features, we want to draw lines, so we can actually do all of these things with KuCoin right here. All of the basic tools are available in KuCoin for you, and you can see right here that this is very professional platform when it comes to trading in the futures. You can see right here now we have Pitchfork, we have Ganbox, we have Gan Square, Gan Fan. So you can select any of these different tools and it depends on you. Then we have the text option available as well, where we can add the price labels, we can add callouts, notes, and anchored text as well. Then we have, of course, other options such as, adding different labels, icons, and we have our own ruler available that helps us to keep track of every moment on our trading. If I want to, expand this view, I can simply click right here and go to full screen mode, or I can switch between different views as well. Let's go with one day and let's see that how this trading actually is doing. So you can see right here the volume was very high at the start of the day, then it kind of like decreased, and right now it is going down again. The highest value was actually in the start of the day. Then we have right here place order option. If you want to place an order, what you have to do is simply type in the price, amount, leverage, then you have to add your reduce only, trading password, add assets, and deposits. If you have not deposited any money, then you can simply go ahead and add a deposit right here with the quick option available in here. And if you want to transfer funds, you can go ahead and transfer as well. How to deposit? You simply click right here on deposit. Simply select a coin. I'm going with Ethereum. We have our networks right here. ERC20, TRC20, KCC, and Atrium. Then we have our wallet address, which is right here. And now I can simply go ahead and place my order right now. Similarly, you can avail different options on KuCoin. We also have future bonuses available that allow you to access the future bonuses. In future bonuses, we have referral bonuses available, gift packages, and pro packages available. So we can actually go ahead and use any bonuses if we like. Then there is simple, a trade option. Then we have future brawl option as well, where you can simply go to, KuCoin futures, and then you will be able to access a lot of different features, such as you will be able to, move on to like another window, and you will just get your future brawls right here, but again using it is similar. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use KuCoin futures. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.